Hey guys, what's going on?
Sorry.
I'm here with Matt. Oh, he's Matt from Dustin'S Locksmith. He makes my keys for me. What's up, Matt?
Not much. How y'all doing?
Do you have anything inspiring to say to the vlog? Vlog. I'm sorry. Just a V,
Vlog.
not B. It's the Jaded Life.
Come anytime. Community.
Have a good one. Can't see Jordan, but he's waving. No, maybe he wasn't. Yeehaw! I'm gonna go back in the skating rink. Make sure it's video.
Sorry.
There we go, it's video. Mama got to come. I'm not feeling so good, but she got to come.
Yep, I'm here.
Say happy birthday to Sadie.
Happy birthday to you.
Gonna put you on first.
Happy birthday
We
to
over 10
Sadie.
seconds. This is the next snap. Now we ain't got but 4 more seconds. We done used it up. Oh well. Alright. Oh. You get, I can't bend over. So you like so good, y'all, like I said. Oh. I miss it every time. Try that again.
Daddy, I need the charger. I think I was dead.
Somebody's using it. Oh wait, it's me.
Okay,
You gotta pull David. You gotta pull David.
Sadie.
Wait. Next one.
Jordan.
Look, I don't want to hold it back, but just the back. You gotta warm up.
Say hey to Jerry.
Hey, Jerry.
All the time.
What is this?
Hey, where can hear you?
Hey, Jerry.
He lives in Nashville.
I don't think you're ready for this, Shelly. I don't think you're ready.
Hey.
Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Put that back down.
Happy birthday, dear Sadie. Happy birthday to
What was the wish?
I didn't make one.
Taylor.
You didn't say this. No, I'm just playing.
You say hey to my vlog.
Hey there. How are you?
Hey, you say hey to the guy named Jerry. He's one of my
Hey, Jerry. It's nice to meet you, Jerry.
He lives in Nashville. You say hey to my vlog.
Hey there. How are you?
Hey, you say hey to the guy named Jerry. He's one of my
Hey, Jerry. It's nice to meet you, Jerry.
He lives in Nashville. Taylor's got to go. Want to tell my vlog bye?
Nah,
Tell Jerry bye too.
who's Jared?
He watches me in Nashville.
Bye, Jared.
He's one of my dedicated viewers. This is dedicated to Jerry.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Or Jared?
Jerry.
Oh, bye, Jerry.
We don't live far from Jerry.
Okay, then he's following me. I'm gonna tell Sadie bye.
Okay. Hold on. Can't catch you.
So weird.
Here, this vlog is dedicated
So
to Jerry.
fake.
Tell Jerry, hey.
Hey, Jerry!
You done told him hey one time. Tell Jerry, hey, he's one of my first viewers.
Will you please come get me a pen and I think it's my birthday? Will you try your best? Daddy, it's my birthday.
I gotta follow Taylor out. I'm so mean. Not really. Wait a minute. Yeah, because I don't ever see you, and neither do my vlog people. Do you have anything to say to the vlog?
This is not my car.
Hey guys, I just want to take a minute and say the vlog that you just saw was kind of mixed up. I had to use my camera. My day was crazy yesterday. I just wanted to put this in here and say I'll try my best not to ever let that happen again. But when things go crazy sometimes, I guess it happens. I don't know. And anyway, but still, once again, this is Sunday morning, so when I'm having to do this, because I was so tired last night, I fell asleep. But as always, thanks for watching. Love you guys, and we'll see you here in just a few minutes. Gotta get ready for church. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Sorry about yesterday's vlog. It got cut off because I didn't download it in time from Snapchat. Sorry. And so I didn't get to start this one until late. So anyway, things got screwed up this weekend, but I'll try to do much better. Thank you guys.